transforming a standard bicycle into a high-performance electric ride has never been more exciting. Modern e-bike conversion kits now deliver stronger motors, smarter controls, smoother assistance, and better reliability than ever before. From budget-friendly hub systems to premium mid-drive setups, these top 5 conversion kits stand out for power, comfort, durability, and real-world riding performance. Number 5. BAFANG G020. The BAFANG G020 earns its place as one of the most practical and affordable e-bike conversion kits available for riders who want dependable performance without spending a fortune. Designed for both front and rear wheel configurations, this 48-volt 500-watt system supports wheel sizes from 20-inch up to 29-inch, including 700c setups, making it compatible with a huge variety of bicycles. One of the strongest features of the G020 is its versatility. The rear hub version supports dropout widths from 135 to 142 mm and works with flywheels up to 9 speeds, while the front motor version fits standard 100 mm dropouts. That flexibility makes installation easier for commuters, touring riders, and mountain bike users alike. Performance is impressive for the price range. The motor delivers stable acceleration with speeds reaching around 40 to 45 km per hour, supported by 65 Nm of torque. Whether climbing moderate hills or cruising through city streets, the power delivery feels smooth and controlled. With motor efficiency rated above 80%, riders can expect reliable energy use and consistent operation during long rides. BAFANG also includes a complete package with nearly everything required for installation. Inside the kit, you get the motor wheel, controller, throttle, pedal assist sensor, controller box, cables, and an optional LCD display. The high-contrast screen is easy to read in bright conditions and carries an IPX5 water resistance rating for dependable outdoor use. Extra additions such as a headlight, cable ties, and stickers improve overall value. For riders seeking a cost-effective conversion kit that balances performance, simplicity, and durability, the BAFANG G020 remains an excellent entry point into the e-bike world. Number 4. Tongsheng TSDZ8 and TSDZ2B bike kit. The Tongsheng TSDZ8 and TSDZ2B stand out because of one feature that completely changes the riding experience: advanced torque sensor technology. Instead of delivering abrupt power like many basic conversion kits, these systems respond naturally to your pedaling force, creating a smooth and highly realistic electric biking feel that experienced riders truly appreciate. The TSDZ8 is the more powerful option, featuring a 48-volt 750-watt mid-drive motor capable of producing an impressive 140 Nm of torque. That level of pulling power makes steep climbs and demanding terrain feel effortless. Speeds can reach between 45 and 55 km per hour, making it ideal for adventurous riders and high-performance commuting. Despite the strong output, the motor operates quietly, allowing for a more refined riding experience. The TSDZ2B focuses more on efficiency and balanced everyday use. Available in both 250-watt and 500-watt versions, it introduces a redesigned one-piece nylon gear and bidirectional freewheeling clutch system. This design reduces drag when the motor is inactive, allowing smoother pedaling and improved riding comfort during longer journeys. Both systems fit standard bottom brackets between 68 and 73 mm, making compatibility broad across mountain bikes, city bikes, and road bikes. Installation is simplified with upgraded waterproof connectors and improved cable management. The display options are another highlight. Riders can choose between several advanced screens offering Bluetooth connectivity, navigation functions, multiple riding modes, and multilingual support. Battery choices range from 36 volts to 52 volts, including lightweight lithium units with fast charging capability. With excellent pedal responsiveness, strong torque delivery, and premium riding comfort, the Tongsheng TSDZ8 and TSDZ2B offer one of the most natural and enjoyable electric conversion experiences currently available. Number 3. BAFANG M315 Mid Drive E-Bike Conversion Kit. The BAFANG M315 Mid Drive Kit delivers the kind of performance serious riders demand from a modern electric bike conversion system. Built around a powerful 750-watt 48-volt brushless motor, this kit combines strong acceleration, excellent hill climbing ability, and remarkably smooth power delivery into one refined package. What immediately separates the M315 from many competing systems is its impressive 120 Nm of torque. That level of force transforms difficult terrain into manageable riding, especially on steep climbs or rough mountain trails. On a 27.5-inch bike, speeds can reach up to 50 km per hour, giving riders a thrilling yet controlled riding experience suitable for both commuting and off-road adventures. The mid-drive design creates better weight distribution and more natural handling compared to standard hub motors. Instead of pushing from the wheel, the motor works directly through the drivetrain, allowing smoother balance and more efficient power transfer. The compact construction also helps the bike maintain a clean and integrated appearance. Compatibility is another major advantage. The system fits bottom brackets between 68 and 73 mm in length with internal diameters from 34 to 36 mm. Riders using wider 100 mm setups can even request customized solutions. Installation is supported through detailed guides, helping reduce setup complexity for first-time users. Customization options are extensive. Buyers can select chainwheels ranging from 36 to 52 teeth, choose brake sensors or brake levers, and pair the system with several modern LCD displays. Premium display models provide real-time ride information along with Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration. The riding modes add even more flexibility. Riders can switch between full electric mode, pedal assist, or traditional cycling depending on terrain and battery usage. Quiet operation, durable construction, and outstanding versatility make the BAFANG M315 one of the strongest all-around mid-drive conversion kits available in 2026. Number 2. Okfeet eBike Kit. The Okfeet eBike Kit delivers exceptional flexibility for riders who want multiple motor options and dependable real-world performance. Unlike many conversion systems limited to a single configuration, Okfeet provides several power choices including 250 watt, 500 watt, 1000 watt, and a powerful 1500 watt setup. This allows riders to choose the ideal balance between efficiency, speed, and torque based on their riding style. Another advantage is the availability of both front hub and rear cassette motor designs. Riders can match the system to their existing bicycle setup more easily, whether upgrading a commuter bike, mountain bike, or recreational ride. The inclusion of both throttle-controlled e-bike mode and pedal assistance system mode also adds flexibility for long-distance travel and energy-saving rides. Installation is straightforward because the package includes nearly every required component. Buyers receive the motor wheel, controller, display, throttle, brake sensor, pedal assist sensor, and a controller box with integrated cable storage. This organized layout creates a cleaner final installation and improves overall reliability. The wheel construction is especially impressive for mixed-terrain riding. High grip and wear-resistant wheel designs provide better stability on surfaces such as sand, grass, and rough roads. Both geared and gearless motor options are engineered for quieter operation and improved efficiency. Advanced Hall sensor technology also helps reduce the risk of motor damage during heavy use. Safety remains a strong focus for Okfeet. The system complies with international C quality standards and undergoes testing before shipment. A 12-month motor warranty provides additional confidence for long-term ownership. For riders seeking strong performance, multiple configuration choices, and dependable reliability, the Okfeet eBike Kit offers outstanding overall value in the conversion market. Number 1. iMortor 3.0 eBike Conversion Kit. The iMortor 3.0 takes the top position because it combines simplicity, smart technology, impressive comfort, and practical everyday usability into one complete electric bike conversion package. Designed as a front-wheel replacement system, This kit transforms an ordinary bicycle into a smooth and capable electric ride with minimal installation effort. Compatibility is excellent, supporting wheel sizes from 20-inch up to 700c while fitting front fork dropout widths between 8.5 and 11 cm. The system is powered by a brushless DC motor paired with a detachable 36-volt lithium-ion battery rated at 259.2 watt-hours. This removable battery design makes charging far more convenient for daily riders. Performance feels surprisingly refined for such an accessible setup. The iMortor 3.0 reaches speeds up to 45 km per hour while delivering a riding range that can approach 50 km depending on riding mode and terrain conditions. Riders can choose between pure electric mode and moped mode, giving flexibility for commuting, relaxed cruising, or longer trips. One of the biggest highlights is the intelligent FOC drive controller paired with mobile application support. Through the dedicated app, riders can customize speed settings, monitor wheel condition, and track mileage directly from a smartphone. That level of smart integration gives the iMortor 3.0 a modern edge over many competitors. The included cell phone holder with USB charging capability is another thoughtful addition for navigation and device charging during rides. Depending on the chosen package, riders also receive either an LCD display with thumb throttle or app-focused controls. Durability is strong thanks to the aluminum alloy hub, rubber tire, and reinforced motor housing construction. With support for riders weighing up to 180 kilograms, the system feels stable, quiet, and reliable across different riding conditions. For riders wanting an easy-to-install, feature-rich, and technologically advanced conversion kit, the iMortor 3.0 clearly stands as the strongest overall choice for 2026. Choosing the right e-bike conversion kit depends on your riding style, budget, and performance expectations. Whether you prefer the natural pedal feel of a mid-drive system or the simplicity of a hub motor setup, these 5 kits represent the very best options available in 2026 for transforming your bicycle into an exciting electric ride.